Oh baby, we are back. Last time I literally just removed all the ivy to assess what we need to do. These three sides are not too bad. They do need work, but I'm not going to concentrate on that today. I'm going to concentrate on this side. Oh, just quickly watch these snowdrops. Bit early for snowdrops, isn't it? But I suppose it gets earlier every year, doesn't it? So I had a drop out on this corner. So that is what I'm going to concentrate on first and then slowly make my way. Problem is with this, we've got loads of massive cement bits and I don't want to touch them until I'm just going to have to patch it up as I go, and then I'm pretty sure we're just going to evaluate it and then maybe then come through and pretty much repoint the whole of the building. But we're just going to do little by little and just concentrate on the big you know, on the stuff that needs doing, like there and there. So anyway, without further ado, let's get one knocked up and yeah, away we go. Watch the snowdrops. Oh, look at that big old root. It's the root of the problem. God, it stinks in here. Rats. Where are you, rats? Look at that. What's that? Jam? Is it jam? Don't know. That's what we want. We'll have to go searching for some snow. across. Right, I am done on this side for a minute. Managed to get that face on, did a bit of pointing. Come along this side here, just got that back up. I took that section out there as well. I've gone a little bit lower on the roof side, just because that roof is actually sitting up. I think where there's just a couple of like stones that have wedged it up. So, and also there is talk that the roof might be getting replaced, so we can always add on at a later date. But this side is pretty much now ready to be raked out properly and then repointed. But I just really wanted to get that face on, especially this side here, because that was dangerous, like, you know what I mean? It was literally like you could see through the building, like. So happy I got that up. So anyway, my attention now turns to this side. So that little corner needs redoing. There's a load of cement along the top there, which I'll remove. This bit's probably the worst, so I'll take that out like that. But same again, like, you know, it's just sort of going around making good, because at the end of the day, you know, the owner doesn't want to rebuild this. It does need knocking down and rebuilding, but we are going to prolong this beautiful old girl as long as possible. And that's my job. So what I'm doing is just going around pretty much at the minute, going around, making good, filling in all like the dropouts, the large cracks, etc. And then once that's done, we can then go around and then rake it out. It's just a bit of a sort of on and off job, this one. So I'll be returning when I can. It's just at the minute I'm just this whole year I'm rather busy, so it's just when I get a minute I'll come and spend a bit of time on her and just work around. But at the minute we're just sort of like making good, getting rid of all the loose stones and just trying to remove as much of the old cement as possible, like. So I'm going to spend the afternoon doing this. It's actually dropped in temperature. Well, I have just stopped and had a coffee, so, but yeah, so gonna get going. Like I say, I work from the top going down, because whoever cleared out the ivy hasn't done the best job, do you know what I mean? Watch that video. But yeah, so like I say, just work from the top going down, get as much done as possible. I'll take out what needs doing. This bit here is actually quite sound. This is like the original wall. And it's just because the ivy hasn't got to it, you know, the ivy hasn't penetrated it. So it's actually quite, you know, bits like that I want to leave. There's no need. We can always do it at a later date, you know. But the problem as well with this job is if you raked out the whole thing at once, she's gonna go, she's gonna fall. Like I say, it's like a two-sided job, this. So I'll go around, make good on the outside, then do the same on the inside, because like I'm gonna have to you know, the whole wall basically needs, like, where the ivy's got in there, the whole wall just basically needs like properly raking out, and you know, from both sides, just to, you know, get it back to a lovely solid wall, you know. So anyway, let's crack on. Got one knocked up, let's go. Please do not fall out. Please. Okay. Good day done. Good day done.